In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply conditional formatting. Conditional formatting in a spreadsheet highlights data automatically based on the criteria you care about, which makes trends, outliers, and priorities stand out at a glance. We'll walk through the essential clicks to set it up, and I'll add context so you know what each area controls and how to get reliable results. Start by opening your spreadsheet and looking to the top menu bar. Click Format to open the formatting options. From that dropdown, choose Conditional Formatting. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen where all the rule settings live. Think of this sidebar as your control center. It's where you define which cells the rule watches and what should happen when the conditions are met. In the sidebar, click Apply to Range. This is where you tell the rule exactly which cells it should evaluate. You can type a range like A2, A50, an entire column like AA, or even a range across multiple columns such as A2, C100. If your spreadsheet has multiple tabs, you can target a specific sheet by including the sheet name. For example, Sheet 1, A2, B50. Make sure the range matches the actual data you want to monitor. A mismatched range is a common reason nothing appears to change. Next, click Format Rules. Here you define the logic and the look. You'll see options that vary based on your data type, such as greater than, less than, text contains, or date is. There's also an option for custom formulas if you need something more advanced. Below the condition, choose how the cells should be formatted when the condition is true. You can set a fill color, change the text color, and adjust styles like bold or strike through. Pick a color and style that are easy to read and that won't clash with other formatting you already use. As you adjust settings, look for a live preview in your sheet or the sidebar to confirm the rule behaves as expected. When you're satisfied, click Done. The rule is applied immediately, and any cells that meet your condition will be formatted according to your selections. If nothing highlights, double-check the Apply to Range and the rule type. For example, numbers stored as text won't match number-based conditions until they're converted. If you create more than one rule, remember that rules are evaluated in order, and later rules can override earlier ones on the same cells. That's it. You now know how to open the conditional formatting panel, target the right cells, set the rule logic, choose the formatting, and finalize your setup with confidence.